I'm not the same as I once was.
Go, Diabolos!
Battling Diabolos? It's going to be interesting. Now, let's do this, Fylóx.
There's something in it that's so beautiful.
Hello everyone, look who is back! Yes, yes, and yes. Today, we're going to be battling Master Diabolos versus Furious Fylóx. Let's see who wins. So first up, we're going to do Right Spin Diabolos versus Normal Mode Fylóx. Let's get to it. Alrighty, Fylóx is in full defense mode. Diabolos is in left spin mode. Fylóx is still in defense mode. Alrighty, here we go. Fylóx normal mode versus Diabolos left spin mode. Now things are gonna get interesting.
Diabolos!
Fylóx!
Master Smash!
Use trio cannon!
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I knew that you guys wanted to see another Fylóx video, and so here it is. I'm gonna definitely do more in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and also subscribe. And comment down below what bays I should battle Fylóx against. And also, as you can tell, I need to repaint this right here. Because remember that where I battled Fylóx against all my bays I had? Yeah, it's from that video. See, this dual launcher just took off some of the paint. So yeah, I'm going to have to repaint it. And until then, another Fylóx video is coming, so stay tuned for that. But not next video, another video. Thank you and bye.